The crypto bull market is just around the corner. And what do I mean by the crypto bull market? I mean, we are starting to see signs trigger again. This is about to be absolutely insane. Between PEPE coin pumping and breaking its all-time highs and GameStop, the stock pumping again, are we going to see some Wall Street action happen a second time around? Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. And today we're taking a look at some bullish indicators that are indicating we're going to re-enter a bull market. If you remember last bull run, right before we had a crypto bull run, before the crypto halving happened last bull run, the AMC stock was trending, GameStop was trending, and a whole other Wall Street bet stocks were pumping. Now, it looks like GameStop is pumping again today. We already seen the beginning of meme mania. Is this going to be the shift that we're all waiting for? And that's exactly what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the overall market. Before to the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. It helps out the channel tremendously and help you reach your crypto goals. All right, we can see the fear and greed index at 52, and I personally believe after the next couple of weeks we are going to enter greed, if not extreme greed. So just in, GameStop is trending and it's pumping 72% on the day. Now for crypto people, it's not a lot of money. For the stock market investors, that's a massive gain. Roaring Kitty returns to social media platforms, surging GameStop stocks. It's going absolutely crazy. Not only is it going crazy, but we have influencers like Andrew Tate. I guess he's not an influencer, but the online figure Andrew Tate sells $500,000 in Bitcoin and buys GameStop and other meme stock to make greedy Wall Street bankers, hedge funds lose $13 billion. Now, here's the thing. This is more than money. This is an entire movement, meaning a lot of people are going to start aping into buy GameStop to, you know, what is it? Tax the rich, kill the rich. I don't know what it is, but essentially it's to take money away from these greedy guys, right? Make these guys lose some money. Now, that being said, we've seen this exact thing happen back in 2020, early 2021. It went crazy. People pumped these stocks, and what happened? Eventually, it all kind of crashed because people started paper hand, which is fine. That's an interesting way. Then a lot of that money trickled back over to crypto, and we saw the crypto pump happen. I'm anticipating we're about to see the exact same thing. And I remember vividly back in January or December 2020, January 2021, when the shift was happening, and I think the shift is going to come. Now, if you want to make a bag and get into an opportunity that's absolutely crazy, let's talk about Dogeverse for a second. The chain traveling Doge, buy now before it launches. These raised over $15 million. All right, what is Dogeverse? It's the world's first chain traveling Doge. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following 6 chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and Solana. It's a multi-bridge. It's been featured on a ton of different articles. Utilize superior bridging technology. Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place, guys. Great tokenomics. And also, to add the cherry on top of the cake, they have staking, currently paying a 61% AP. It's dynamic range, meaning the staking is going to change. If you want to load up a bag on Dogeverse, guys, and again, we've been covering these successful pre-sale gems. I'm going to link in the description below and in the comment section. Make sure you grab a bag, as they're blowing up. Over 16,000 followers on Twitter, very active, engaging with the community. I can only imagine when this goes live, it will go absolutely insane. So stay tuned for more updates. But now back to the crypto bullish news. We see the overall market. We're seeing some green across the board. Bitcoin in the green, up 3% on the day. We're seeing Solana up, Dogecoin up, Shiba Inu up. Again, all great. But let's talk about PEPE coin for a second, because PEPE is absolutely mooning. We can see on the one day we're up 16%. On the week we're up a whopping 20%. However, if we go to all-time chart, we can see PEPE has officially beaten its previous all-time highs. That's absolutely massive for this token. Or imagine this bullish momentum is going to continue. Currently sitting at a $4.31 billion market cap, making this a top 24 cryptocurrency. I imagine there's going to be a pullback, so if you don't already have a bag of PEPE, it probably wouldn't be the best time to buy. If you have a bag of PEPE, you might want to take some profits, but again, not financial advice. Even when technical reports on Bitcoin are indicating a buy, moving averages are on buy, losses are neutral, and that is obviously great to see. When we go to the 4-hour, we can see a strong buy as people are starting to load up on crypto. So even though we're seeing figures like Andrew Tate sell some Bitcoin to buy the stocks, we're not necessarily seeing a crash. We see the legend is back, Roaring Kitty is back, and really causing a craze in the Wall Street bet scene. We can see just in El Salvador releases a new website that tracks their Bitcoin treasury. That's pretty awesome. They're currently holding almost 6,000 Bitcoin, which is roughly $350,000. We see Switzerland's largest bank, UBS, owns shares in BlackRock for their Bitcoin ETF. That's absolutely massive. So many bullish things happening ahead, guys. And literally, I feel like this is a critical point where history is starting to repeat itself again. Just like we saw in last bull run, we had like the GameStop and the AMC, the Wall Street bet pump. and then we had the crypto pump. Now is history repeating itself? That's what it's looking like. So if you haven't already loaded a bag in crypto, you might want to start getting in before everything pumps to the moon. Make sure you check out Dogeverse. I'm gonna link in the description below. Phenomenal project, and that wraps up the video. Until next time, remember, not financial advice, always your own research and due diligence. It's your boy Umar. Peace.